Daylight savings time is exactly 3 days away from the time of this upload. If it's already passed though, stay tuned because we're going to talk about relevant things in your Amazon FBA business for this coming spring cleaning. Hi guys, this is Jake Diego. If you have virtual assistants in the Philippines or India, they don't have daylight savings time. They're not going to have to wake up early. They're not going to have a decrease in productivity. But if you live where this snowman and I live, then we got to deal with it, guys. And so we can use it as a trigger to look at things such as meltable products, older inventory, and the change in product categories as we get into the warmer months. Getting into the computer then, let's take a look at a working procedure that goes over how to get to the inventory planning section of Amazon Seller Central. And what you'll do is you'll go ahead and log into your Amazon Seller Central, then go up to Inventory heading and down to Inventory Planning. That will bring up the inventory dashboard. If you scroll down a little bit there, you'll get to the FBA inventory age. And that's what we want to look at because we want to start looking at those items that are over 90 days and do something about them. Especially if they're winter items such as long sleeve shirts and hats and holiday, maybe some certain hobbies or kitchen items that are more so that time frame of the year, and get them sold off so we can roll that money into the more summer products such as swimwear and hardware, garden, tools. Most immediately would probably be like cleaning supplies. A little pro tip there for you. But that is one of the big parts about this whole daylight savings time, is looking at inventory age and getting rid of those older products, moving that inventory from more of a winter mix to more of a summer mix. Also in summer, we'll have the kids will get out of school. We'll have Prime Day in July. So there's a lot of good things to look forward to there. I mean, the volume's already starting to pick up, so it's an exciting time of the year. Think about is your meltable inventory. Probiotics, pills, fish oil, anything that's chocolate, gummy, candy, anything that can basically melt or oxidize, you want to get rid of it. Now I would suggest you would lower the price. You would find these items, lower the price, and proceed accordingly, but you could also wait until May 15th when Amazon's going to dispose of it. However, of course, you take a loss on that then. If it is something with a longer expiration date or that, you can always create a removal order. Typically costs about 50 cents an item, I believe. But there's a couple options here. In Amazon's eyes, though, they define a product as meltable if it can't stand a temperature of up to 100 degrees. Keep meltable inventory in mind when you're doing your spring cleaning.